everyone, for today's photo shoot behind the scenes video, I'm super excited to be doing a photo shoot on a kit lens. So I have the Sony 28-70 3.5-5.6, which we will be doing a portrait photo shoot on, and I'm using the Sony A7 III body. So today's model is Karina, and Lydia is doing hair and makeup, and Dan's filming behind the scenes. So I really wanted to do a photo shoot on a kit lens, one, because you guys have been asking me to do this for ages, and two, I really want to show you that you don't need to wait or have better gear to be able to do a photo shoot. You can make the most out of what you have and still create beautiful photos, even if it's just a kit lens or a toy camera like I did with Christina before, or even just a smartphone as well. So we're gonna see how many creative shots we can get with today's photo shoot, try different locations, lighting situations, try and get some bokeh if we can as well. So we're gonna get started, and I really hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. I need to sit just up here on the woodeny bit. I'm gonna start with a full body shot. It's really cool. Getting a bit closer up. Since kit lenses have higher apertures, which means less depth of field, I pick locations to shoot in that have interesting textures and details in the background to make the images work. That looks really nice. Oh, this lens zooms as well, and it's like tripping me out every time I touch it. It's so weird. Yeah.
Oh.
Fancy. Fancier than my lenses. They don't zoom. You look like you've been like shipwrecked on tropical island. Alright, I'm gonna try and get like a really close-up photo because the lighting's really pretty right now. I wonder how close I can get. I found that this lens was incredible at capturing close-ups on the 70mm end. That sun is so nice. Oh my gosh. When I looked at these photos on my computer at 100%, there was so much detail and texture. This lens is not bad.
Stunning.
Yeah,
I just
it's really nice.
Like, oh, highlight is
I did a good job.
Yeah.
Could I get you to sit over there in the shade? I'm sorry. Yeah, that's nice. If you can get your eyes in the sun.
Oh, my eyes.
Yeah. You kind of tilt your head that way a little bit more if you can. Yeah, just there.
You're not meant to be.
And then keep glance up at me then. There's like one little corner with the leaves. It looks really cool.
Ah, awesome.
I like that.
Didn't know what you were doing.
To try and capture the highest quality photos I could, I made sure to work with the light rather than shooting backlit like I normally do. Oh, I don't know how to use this zoom thing. It's so weird.
What is this invention?
So strange. While you can shoot nice backlit portraits, I find that the strength in a kit lens is working with the natural light hitting directly on the model's face. Alright, perfect. Oh, I love this spot. It's so pretty. By the way, I asked Lydia to take some behind the scenes snaps on her phone for our social media. She always stays out of my way and doesn't bother me at all. That looks so cool. Do you want to try one with your arms up as well? That'd be cool. Yeah, that's pretty. Just like do some stretching.
Oh, look at the sleeves.
I know, they're so cool. Maybe we can go to like the rocky bit with some water in the back. Yeah, actually, that's nice. Oh, thank you, clouds. All right, I think. Oh my god! All right, let's go that way. This is nice with the green. Alright, I'm gonna get a full body shot. We shot in a darker area under some trees, and the dynamic range of the A7 III really came in handy to bring out the shadows. As you do. Like I mentioned, I found that shooting in brighter light definitely works better for a kit lens. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this little lens. It's doing really well. The photos look so nice in the back of the camera. Still getting used to the whole zooming thing though. By the way, I edited all these photos with my Mountains Lightroom preset pack, which is brand new. The preset is inspired by the Mountains preset in my free digital film app, but I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. Could I get you to sit down? Oh, that looks cool. Towards the end, I decided to bump up my ISO to be able to shoot with some higher shutter speeds. The sun was pointing directly at the model. Some of these shots are diffused by the clouds and some are harshly lit when the sun poked through, but it was great not having to worry about motion blur. And then I'll shoot like a shot this way as well. Do you want to pull both your arms kind of draping like this? Yeah. I think actually maybe here, sorry. Need like the sparser leaves. Oh, actually, yeah, you can see some bokeh. Lastly, I wanted to try to capture some bokeh. This location wasn't the best for bokeh, but there was one tree for us to work with. In the first shot, the model was too close to the background, so you can't see much bokeh. Do you want to try actually? What if we sit on the boat? Actually, maybe landscape so you can't see the boat. But in the second shot, I asked her to move away from the background, and by doing that, I was able to create some bokeh with the leaves. Well, that is all we have for today's behind the scenes photo shoot. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments what you thought about the photos, what were your favorite locations and your favorite shots, as I really love hearing what you guys have to say. And I would also love to know who else shoots on a kit lens to do portrait photo shoots or whatever you like to take photos of. Let me know down below. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I make new videos every single Wednesday, so I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.